Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to insert your signature into your Gmail. Okay, so this is my Gmail. Now before that, you need to sign on a blank white sheet of paper and scan it into your computer and save it as a JPEG or a PNG file. So this is an example of a signature. Now on the right side, there's a gear icon. You want to click on that. Click Settings. On your left side, as you scroll down, you should see Signature here. Now, click on Create New. Now you want to name that signature. So you can you can type any name you want. Click Create. Now, as you can see, there's an Insert Image icon, and you want to insert that signature that was scanned, and you have it saved somewhere. So click on Insert Image. This is the signature. Just click on it and you can see menu says small, medium, large. You can click on small, medium, whichever one, and you can also adjust it. Also, you can adjust it like this with these adjustments: align left, align center. And just click Save Changes. Now, if I compose a message, just type test 1. Okay, if you look at the bottom here, you can see there's an insert image, a pen icon, and it says insert signature. Click on that and the name of the signature. So click that example I clicked and click send. Now, as you can see, the signature is here. Now, if you go back to settings and you go back to signature, now you can add more than one signature. So if you create new, you can type in and you can scan another signature. You can add numerous signatures here. But also, if you want to just have it defaulted, that whenever you send an email, the signature is already there, or on a reply or a forward or new emails, as you can see. Now, as you can see, it says signature defaults. Now, for new emails use, you can select a signature that you would like for new emails so that it's always there anytime you compose a new email. And on the reply or forward, you can choose another signature or the same signature. And you want to scroll down and you want to click on Save Changes. Now, when you compose, it's there already. You don't need to select Insert Signature. It's already there. And you can just type there. I'm just doing a test. Testing. Send. And as you can see, the signature is there. And that's it. So I want to thank you for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, I ask you to subscribe